Well, hi folks. It's been a while. I always say that because it always has. So back on Pearl today. As you can see, she's not in her usual spot. She's been moved and brought her across the harbour. She's in her new berth, her new mooring. And immediately, I think you can understand it makes life a whole lot easier when it comes to working on her. So she'll be here for a while now, hopefully. So today, I'm just going to continue on with the roof, get the first one or two coats of the final top coat, the enamel top coat for the roof on. And then I might even have a crack at stripping back some of the starboard side cabin, just to see what the timber looks like underneath. I'm not going to show you up close detail, but some of that timber is in such poor condition. So let's crack on and get some work done. And it's a beautiful sunny day, so hopefully we'll get quite a lot done. All right, let's get on with it. G'day Adam, how you doing?
I'm alright.
Tell you what, I'd much rather be working on a classic Mariner than a
Can I tell you though,
72-year-old Halverson.
that wasn't like that when I bought it.
But she's got a lot of work to do. Anyway, so there you go. It's all good. No worries. Well, I'll crack on with this painting, I think.
If you get short of anything, mate, I've got Got all your, you know, tools and you get stuck. Let me know.
Might come knocking. Yeah. Thanks, Adam. Well, I've started to have a go on the side panels, the cabin walls, whatever, and so far not too bad, but I've got a horrible suspicion here and further down we're going to see some filler, but I managed to put the first coat of top coat, first coat of the enamel on the hatch frame, so that's good. So that's a little job done. Tick that off the list. So all in all, a good day. And I'll see you next time. A bit more painting of the roof, and get to work on the main cabin roof. So see you next time, and thanks for watching.